is 2 air conditioners, a Lennox and a Rheem. Yeah, the Rheem. Right here, this is a Rheem. And then there's a Lennox. Yeah, here's the lines. They go into the ground for some reason. I don't really know why. And this Rheem has one of these little blue things. And this goes into the ground too. It's weird. This Lennox is 4-bladed. The Lennox is 4-bladed. So I don't know if I can see into it very well since it's a 4-bladed one, but I just turned the flash on, so there you can see the edge of the compressor. And the fan motor is in, oh, the fan blades are spinning. The wind is making the fan blades spin. But yeah, this is a Lennox. It's a Lennox. And then there's the control box. It's a Siemens. And then there's the control box for this one. There's the brand. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm surprised there's only 2 for this whole building. I mean, there might be more somewhere, but there's the compressor for the Rheem. And it has a, what brand is the fan motor? It's a ProTech. That's exactly what brand the other Rheem had that I filmed. And here's the sheet. It's a 3-ton. And maybe 2011 or something. Then the Lennox might be a 3-ton. The Lennox motor is a Interlink. Never heard of that, but it's 4-bladed. The Rheem is 3-bladed, and it's got a Copeland scroll compressor. Yeah, there's the compressor. It's a Rheem. Here's the logo. That's a cool logo. Let me take a picture of that. There you go. A Rheem and a Lennox central air conditioner at a. This is like a bank and a chiropractor all in one building. And I don't know why this phone won't focus. There we go. Hope you have a nice day. Out.